Now that we have a full-time gardener, we're really starting to get our garden plans into gear. So, for example, we went to a outdoor plant market, plants, gardening, and so on. And we got some really, really cool fruit trees, which we're going to plant around the property. Let me show you. Well, we got jasmine, of course. That's kind of normal. Here's a really nice lemon tree. So this is lemon. This is Chinese guava. I don't know what that means, Chinese guava. A mandarin orange tree. This is a tree I grew up with as a kid. Mulberries. So I didn't realize they have mulberries in Sri Lanka. That I imagine it was imported. This is another mango tree that's already flowering and producing the mangoes already. We just got this today. This is a star fruit tree. So this is going to produce star fruit. This is a red cherry tree that's pretty tall. So red cherries. And this huge, 9-foot tree, which we just got today, is a pomegranate tree. So we're gonna have, these aren't, these are obviously not, the full-size pomegranates yet, but this is pomegranates. So we have all these new fruit trees to place in the yard. And they also, this is very interesting, they also have, I found these grapevines. So I'm going to try and get grapes. We have 2 kinds of mint and 2 kinds of tomatoes. So, yeah. And then, here's the work he's done so far in the garden. There's a giant lizard here that's been sort of frolicking around. I think he lives in the garden. He's a giant. He's not giant, but he's a big monitor lizard, and he lives here. He's here all the time. And then, so our plan for the garden, the back garden, is there went a monitor lizard. So our plan for the garden is so we're going to put these border walls for raised beds. Okay, so we're going to have like one here, one there. These are cassava plants, or yucca. So they produce a potato type tuber that you can eat. It's very amazing. They're also here, so they've been here a while. There'll be a walking path here, and then we planted our tea plants. So I have tea. So far we have 3 tea plants. So I'm going to have my own tea. There's 1 tea plant, 2, and then this 3rd one. And this is a rambutan tree. So we should be getting the rambutan fruit. Once we fertilize this. So anyway, this is the garden so far. This is the one side of the garden. I'm excited. We have a gardener who can just really help put this place to shape and grow all our veggies. This is our gardener, actually. His name is Sampat. This is for my friends in America. America, a gardener. Yeah, very good person too. You're a very good human being, good man. Yeah, he did all this. He kind of thinned this out, and this is our plan. And then this is the other side of the garden, which you've already seen. Our other side, you've seen this part already with banana trees, papaya. So anyway, I'll share more updates as we have them. Okay, hope you all are well.